Ladies and gentlemen, our valedictorian. Best in Filipino, Best in Science, Best in Civica at Kultura, Best in Mathematics, Best in GMRC, Best in English, Best in Physical Education, Best in Music, Best in Reading, Best in Drama, and Best in Art and Humanities.
Yun.